I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I texturize my virgin hair, my stubborn virgin hair. So before we get into the video, please kindly hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the post notification to know anytime I post a new video. Okay, so this texturizer is mainly for virgin hair, like it is not for a relaxed hair. So don't tell me, I don't want to relax my hair, I don't want to relax my hair. No, it's not for relaxed, it's not for a relaxed hair, it's for a virgin hair. If you have a very stubborn hair and you have ingrown hairs, basically I'm applying this on my hair because I have ingrown hairs, and I've been applying this for like 2 years now. I apply it once in a year. Okay, so I usually apply it when I want to make braids. So I hardly make braids on my hair, but anytime I want to make braids, I have to apply this, because if not, if I make that braids today, tomorrow I'll be looking like a mad woman. So if you have ingrown hairs, a very stubborn hair, you have all those annoying coils that shrinks your hair so badly, you need this texturizer. Okay, so guys, if you know how to apply relaxer, it's just the same method, but this is not relaxer. Disclaimer alert, this is not relaxer. Okay guys, you know now, you just have to mix your texturizer in a bowl and then pat your hair and then blah blah blah. So I'm going to allow you to watch the video and see how I do it. Okay guys, I can't wait for you to see the end result of this texturizer. Like, you wouldn't even tell if I did anything on my hair, because it's still looking exactly like your virgin hair is, but when you touch it guys, you will feel it, how soft it is. You can even eat it if you want to. I'm joking. So my lovers, let me run to the comment section and wait for you guys. Kindly let me know if you're going to be texturizing your hair, and if your hair is a stubborn virgin hair, I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Let's watch the video. Mwah.
He will give you everything. Come and take your Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going. I will get past, it's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win it. Got a question, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All my would have sacrificed. She really suffered
So guys, this is the final look. My hair is looking so sweet and soft. I wish you guys can touch this hair. If you have a very stubborn hair and you don't know what to do, just go and get a texturizer kit and thank me later. And if you still have another option that you use, you can still recommend in the comment section. There are a lot of people looking for ways to make their virgin hair to look softer, and then the maintenance, maintaining virgin hair is so hard, the pain and all of that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button down below, turn on the post notification to know anytime I post a new video. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are going to texturize that your stubborn virgin hair. Yes, I'm talking to you. Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.
Tell me why you're crying, now can it be? Yeah.